Hey guys, my name is Mohammad, and I recently attended the Drone Command Live. It was really exciting and full of knowledge, and I really enjoyed it, especially it was virtually. Um, I really recommend whoever is looking for a new opportunity and a profitable new career uh, with no hesitation. Just join the drone boss and Mr. Diego. They're super knowledgeable, and they're not really boring, not at all. Like I barely felt like the 3 days they just passed. It was amazing experience. It was virtually. Um, like while you are in your home, and amazing. I can't really find the right, the words how to express my experience. It was amazing experience. I'm so excited right now. I can't wait till the next step to start my own drone business. Go ahead, guys, no hesitation. Don't even think about it twice. Go ahead, join the drone command live event, and you won't regret it. I promise you. Thank you.